Welcome, Gloria, and it's such a pleasure to have you at Workplace at Happiness Bootcamp version 2 here in Mumbai. How's it been so far?
It had to be Happiitude to make us feel gratitude.
Oh, wow, that's nice.
Yes, it has been amazing. I'm impressed. I first met Karan over the phone,
Okay,
talking to me, answering the question, why are you doing this? Because I'm a happinizer as well.
okay,
And he said at age 4, his son started showing signs of unhappiness and said, this is not going to happen. And
right.
he took action and Happiitude was born.
Happened. Happiitude happened. And what's been that one highlight for you in this 3 days?
The people I've met,
Okay.
the hearts that touched me, the hearts that
nice.
I've touched, and the Indianness of the whole thing.
Right. So, is that going to make you come back again?
No, I'm not leaving.
That's great. Thank you, Gloria. It's been a pleasure. And let's do the Indian.
Decide to be happy and stay
happy.
No matter what. You decide to be happy every breath. Be happy.
Absolutely. I'm always happy. Thank you.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much.
God
Pleasure.
bless you.
Yeah. God
Thank you.
bless you too.